discuss the advantage of different tin types: adjustable, put, split, in terms of efficiency and proportion. The overall goal is to provide guidance on selecting appropriate and functional equipment. The text outlines 7 principles for responsible outdoor recreation. These principles emphasize minimizing environmental impact by properly disposing of waste, respecting wildlife, avoiding feeding and disturbing animals, leaving natural areas as found, minimizing campfire impacts, being considerate of other visitors, respecting the natural environment.